Kakadosh Boker or Bekiim Halacha 5, Siman 32, Lamed Bet. Day 50, this is Halacha Resh Bet, 202. Yeah, gluing the bite shut. So if someone is going to glue the bite shut before sewing it, it's not kosher. Okay? So you first have to sew it and then glue it. Okay? Once it's sewn together, then it may be glued. The common practice today is to glue together the upper titura and the bottom titura after they've been sewn shut, since this makes a bite more durable and avoids ugly cracks in the titura. Okay, so they only glue it afterwards. Okay, look 176. Okay, one must glue the bite shut even if it was already sewn together. That means you always have to glue it. Okay, the might be by stitches. That's Halacha Moshe Sinai, not glue. Okay, fine. Tefilin knots, the kesher of the rosh and the yad. So once the tefillin shel rosh, right, it's been sewn together, the leather strap is run through the ma'abarta. Remember, the ma'abarta is ma'avar. Ma'avar is like a path to get from one place to another. So the ma'abarta is the back part of the tefillin where the strap goes through. That's called the ma'abarta. So once the tefillin shel rosh has been sewn together, the leather strap is run through the ma'abarta and then tied in a knot that resembles the letter dalit. Okay, the strap of the tefillin shel yad is tied into a knot that resembles the shape of the letter yod. So in the tefillin shel yad, it looks like a yod. In the tefillin shel rosh, it looks like a dalit. Combined together with the letter shin, which is on the bite of the tefillin shel rosh, it's going to have shakai, shin, dalit, yod. Okay? Now, halacha 204, resh dalit. The halacha Moshe Sinai requires the tefillin straps to be tied into knots. The person tying the knots must first declare that he's tying them for the sake of sanctity of tefillin. If he did not have the specific intentions, the tefillin are technically kosher according to Shulchan Aruch, but it's recommended that he unties the knot and ties them again after declaring his intentions. Likewise, whenever someone adjusts the size of the loop in the strap of the tefillin shel rosh and really undoes its shape, he must make sure to first declare that he's doing a l'shem kedushat tefillin. If he failed to declare this, it's recommended that he unties it and then he does it again. Okay? So mamash, I mean, every time that he's gonna, but it's mashma here that it's only when he completely unknots it. Okay? Yeah, if it's just like to resize it, it sounds like you don't really need to do it. He's only when he's saying it when you're making the kesher. Okay? Now he says like this. In most Sephardic communities, the custom is to form the knot of tefillin shel rosh literally in the shape of a dalid, with a vertical line of the letter to the right of the person wearing it. That is, to anyone behind him, it looks like a dalid. In other communities, the custom is for like a square that resembles a mem sofit. The third custom, that's Ashkenazim. A lot of Ashkenazim, it looks like a square. A third custom is to also form a square, but with an empty space in the center. And everyone just does their own custom. Halacha Resh Vav 206. When forming the knot of the tefillin shel yad, right, in the shape of the letter yod, the tip of the strap should protrude from the knot. The protruding tip is what completes its resemblance to the letter yod. If it does not protrude at all, it's not a yod. So while too much of the strap protrudes, it will appear more like a vav than a yod. This can be remembered by just cutting off the extra length, and that's it. So cutting off extra length does not present the problem of chak to chot. There's no problem whatsoever. See above Siman 27 about the need to secure the knot of the tefillin shel yad so that it touches the kitzitza. So that means the yad has to be actually touching the kitzitza. It cannot just be like separate. It has to be touching the kitzitza. Okay, touching the bottom part of the tefillin. Okay, fine.